Hey guys, welcome to Farm Alarm. My name's Tracy. Today we're going to be showing you how to get free tubs like we use in our greenhouse so you can grow in. Stay tuned. That's awesome. We just got a ton of these molasses tubs for free. Free tubs. If you guys have been watching our channel for a while, you know what we mainly do with those tubs is we take them and we put them in our greenhouse and we grow out of them. We grow vegetables out of them, and just like a growing pot, growing container, and we put composted material in that, and then we plant tomatoes and whatever else, whatever you're going to grow in the garden. It doesn't have to just be in the greenhouse. It could be outside. They work great outside. The red ones don't look too good, but these black ones that we got, they'll blend in pretty well. Another good thing that I like to do with them is we've got a growing table in the greenhouse, and we cut them down to about 6 inches tall, and that way anything that's not going to have deep roots like spinach or kale, we cut them shallow, and we fill them up with dirt. That way you don't have 15 to 18 inches worth of composted material just wasted just on some really shallow rooted vegetables like that spinach. But those buckets have all sorts of other uses, such as we use one to water our sheep out of, so you could water your livestock animals with them. You could even sell those things. It depends on the area where you're at, but farmers markets or swap meets, you could get $3 to $5 out of one of those things, and I'm sure, like if you were in California, you could get a lot more out of them.
Oh, but his windshield is so dirty we can't see out. Can't we?
Henry, what you see? Baby cow. Is that cool? Looky here. Look. Look. Yeah, look over here. Hey. Right here, look. What do you think? Good. Is that cool?
Alright, so these guys also have pecan trees. They've been pecan farmers from way back, and I don't know much about pecans, and they said they was going to show us a few awesome tricks on how to crack open the pecans, because they let us pick up some of their pecans off the ground, and I was like, can I just, how do I open it? I don't have any pliers, or I don't have a nut cracker. I'm trying to squeeze one in my hand, and she's like, no, there's a trick. You got to use 2 of them, and she was telling me about how her husband also he's like some expert on how he cracks those pecans open with a pair of pliers. Just like he said, he smashes the end of them off, and then he'll just lightly crack them all the way around. And she said as soon as we get up here, he's going to show us a couple tricks on those, so that's pretty awesome as well.
Cut this end off here if you can. Like that. And then you can just kind of go around them like that. You a pecan eater? Mm-hmm. You are? Want one?
Mm-hmm. You've done that a time or two.
Oh yeah.
Now your wife told me that there was a trick. If you didn't have a pair of pliers, how do you open them with two pecans?
You put them in your hand. I don't know if I can anymore. Put them in your hand like that. And
oh, ow. That sounded like it hurt you.
You'd probably just crack them like that.
Oh, I tried, and that's when she said no.
He was trying to do it with one.
Oh.
That's how this all got started.
How you think? What do you think, buddy?
Good.
It is good, isn't it?
And she said when you find them like this,
Ain't no good.
ain't no good. She wasn't kidding either, because I opened them up.
Yeah.
Wasn't nothing in them. Junk.
Another little bite.
You're gonna crack it.
Oh well, that wasn't
A little
bad at all.
more. Maybe, you know. I don't know. I didn't even have my rain gauge out because its temperature still dropped,
Yeah.
you know. Don't want to freeze and bust it. So
Oh, they got a booger there through Glasgow.
that's what
Good
Sammy was
job.
saying.
Oh my. Well, we got a pretty good bunch up in the bottom. You know where we are turned right.
We'll have to peel it out.
We go straight on till we get.
All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.